So today we will be going over a little introduction for Overleaf, it's like a coding platform to use for mathematics or in general anything. But for now we'll be using for the basic introduction for mathematics. So we can start by doing a dollar sign and just basic math. So we do 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So this is basically the introduction of it all. Yep, right there, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Whenever you do a math equation, you always want to put it in a dollar sign to indicate that it's a math question. You can do that, and also you could do supersets, which is that squared, so 5 squared, that's how you do it. And you could do subset, so 5 um, underscore 2. So you can see the difference right here. I did the superset right there, 5 square, and over here I did 5 subset 2. So that's how you do the subset and superset. So for now we can go over the the trig function. So we get sine in bracket x. I use backspace for sine because that's how the overleaf reads it. And then the same thing can be said about cosine and tangent. So we do that. Always do your dollar sign, backspace, tan, bracket x, another bracket. If we recompile all of that, we get, yep, right here, sine of x, cosine of x, and then tangent of x. If you want them on new separate lines, just put a, empty line in between them, like I just did right here in the code, recompile them again, and there you go, sine of x, cosine of x, and tangent of x. Next, we can go over, some Greek letters. So for starters, we can do dollar space dollar sign backspace alpha, or another Greek letter we can use is beta. So do the same thing, beta. Recompile. Yep, you see right here alpha and beta right there. Also, you can do pi. Pretty cool. Pi right here. We recompile. There we go. And like last time, you can also put them in separate lines, like right here. Yep, and then they get their own line right there. We could also do fractions. Pretty cool right here. Dollar sign backspace frac, not fraction. Yep, you see right there. The first one indicates the numerator. The second bracket indicates the denominator. So if we recompile, there we go. We get 2/3 right here as our fraction. And then if you want to, like, I don't know, center it, I usually do backspace begin, press enter so the brackets can appear, begin center, and then once you press begin center, press enter right there, and in between you could just write your equation. So you can just go back to 5 plus 5 equals 10, recompile, and there we go. Now it's centered. With Overleaf, you can do many different things, but I'm just going over just the basics of what you need to do for basic math. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to know more, I think Overleaf has a whole list of equations and command codes that you can do that they have. I fixed my problem. Seems to be the infinity right here. You're not supposed to spell it out. The code only recognizes as infinity. And also limits, I didn't add an S at the end. I just put limit, so I added an S, and yeah, it fixes the code. There's no error. So yeah, if you want to learn how to do something like this, you can definitely check out the Overleaf's page. They should have a lot of commands on how to do the limit or the integral or the summation, all these delta right here, So yeah,